Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got OPI DS Indulgence and Moyra 53 textures. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is DS Indulgence by OPI. It's like fire in a bottle or something. It is, oh my gosh, so pretty. These are really old polishes. This line, or you know, this this line from OPI. Had it in my collection for a while and figured it needed to be broke out and used. This was one of the ones I had for like my fall favorites. So I've got those sitting out. I'm going to try to work my way through them. Hi Woody, how you doing? So here we go with our second coat. This is just such an amazing, and look at the formula. I'm not even hardly making a mess, which, you know, to me that tells me it's got a good formula. I'm not flooding my cuticles and getting all crazy. So there we go. Gorgeousness. I am going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Get it to dry down so I can do some playing. Gorgeous. That top coat just really makes it just, makes it even more pretty. Capping my free edge here. So there we go. Look at that. Here's my swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go with the Moyra Stamping Plate 53 textures. I've never used this plate before. It's one my friend Becky sent me. So I'm going to clean it off with some acetone real quick. It's got like a little something on that negative, or that, you know, that like gradient space plate part that you can, you know, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it affects it later. I got my beauty scraper and my Conad stamper. I do have my Burt's Bees cuticle cream on. And I'll be using coconut from Ology today. So I'm going to use this image right here on 3 nails. And then I've got another image picked out for my thumb and my ring finger. It's just a really nice way to dress up a manicure without just totally stealing the thunder of that beautiful color. Lets a lot of it peek out. So I am cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller. And the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. That's a cool image though. I thought that one just jumped out at me. So I thought, well, I'm going to use that one for sure. And then while I was doing this one, I spotted the other one I wanted to use. So I am turning the image around so that it's not exactly the same on each nail. Kind of move it around, give it a little, you know, a little bit of a different look. And then I'm going to use this image up here. It kind of looks like paint splatter or something. Almost like a gradient effect of it. And that's the same image I'm using on my thumb. Got a little part over here that didn't stick real good. I didn't use no sticky base or anything. Oh, there we go. I'm actually going to show my thumb this time. You know, a lot of times I don't. There we go. Ta-da! And then now for that pinky nail. I'm really loving this coconut color. It's not white, but it's kind of white, you know. It's got that creamy look to it. It just works so well. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get any excess up that I can off of my cuticles, around my sides. It's coming up really well with the tape. Yes, yes, love it. So I'm going to top it with the Ology Smudge Free Top Coat. I am in love with this top coat for, you know, being able to top your stamping without smearing it. And of course, you know, I always put a glossy top coat on top. But this way I know that I've not ruined my design. Today I'll be using Poshe. That's my quick dry top coat today. Oh, geez. It's just luscious. I love manis when they just look so shiny and glossy and shimmery and So I'm keeping my free edge. I will have this one in motion here. Here we go. Still got a little paint on my thumb. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I loved it. I thought it was really cool. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.